Hey everyone, welcome back to Dad Life. We're out here on the Blackstone Griddle and we have a simple menu tonight. We're doing some skirt steak with sauteed mushrooms, sauteed onions, and we got some sweet potatoes cooking inside the oven right now inside the house. So welcome back to Dad Life once more, and let's get started. We got our steak. I like to marinate my steak with some minced garlic that we get at the store, and just put it on the grill. Here it goes. Alright, our onions and mushrooms are looking good. I'm going to go ahead and grab a slab of the skirt steak here, and I'm going to put my meat thermometer in it and give it a little test and see. I want to get this to where it's at 145, and we are pretty much there. So that smaller piece of steak is pretty much done. Let's check on this bigger one here. And that one's looking good too. So I'm gonna put my thermometer down. I'm gonna go ahead and get my mushrooms and onions off of the griddle, and then I'll get my steak off. All right, everyone, so here you have it. Here's our skirt steak cooked to medium, and we got our sauteed onions and mushrooms. Looks like it'll be a good meal tonight. If you like what you see, go ahead and like it, and also hit subscribe.